short trip north of Douglas along the Manx Electric Railway line lies the picturesque and quiet town of Groudle and the site of the island's second steam railway. At just 3/4 of a mile in length, the railway's diminutive size was no reflection on its popularity. Linking the scenic Glen walkways to the coastal wildlife attractions and rocky cliff tops, the 2-foot gauge railway opened in 1896 to a warm reception. The area had been receiving significantly more visitors since the opening of the Manx Electric Railway, prompting the creation of the Glen's trail of pathways and bridges and the creation of Sea Lion Rocks on the coast, home to a zoo housing polar bears and sea lions. Initially, the railway was served by one engine, appropriately named Sea Lion, and 3 coaches. It soon became apparent that extra rolling stock and another locomotive were needed to meet demand. So Sea Lion was joined by Polar Bear to share some of the burden. The line finally closed in 1962. The Second World War had taken its toll, as had a dangerous landslip on the line. The rails were scrapped and railway buildings demolished, seemingly condemning the attractive and once popular railway to the history books. However, in 1982, a local group of enthusiasts set about restoring it to its former glory. The line now operates as it once did, with the original Sea Lion locomotive back in steam on the rails.